Craig, tonight was your game in hand.
Yeah.
And obviously the main priority was to secure the 3 points.
Yes, of
And
course.
extend your lead at the top of the table. So
Yeah.
in terms of that, it's job done.
Yes, it is. Look, we knew it was going to be a tough game. It's never easy coming here. You know, I think they're the form team, apart from us, in the top half of the table. They picked up some good points, and it's a tough place to come. They've got fans behind them, and the surface isn't conducive to trying to play football. Which, in all fairness, Caernarfon, they try to play football as well. So for both teams today, I think it was very, very frustrating, and it was just one of them that we had to win any way, shape or form. It was a very professional performance.
Rich, collad yn erbyn y tîm sydd ar y brig, ond dyna'n llawer yn ni.
Na, gêm reit scrappy dwi'n meddwl. Ac ia, mae'n hynna lle'n gofyn mwy gan oce fi. Mae'r desire ag effort yna'n unbelievable. Achos i ddod yn erbyn tîm llawn amser o fa, jyst o dod 1-0. Narw i gêm gol dda i Milson chwarae teg. Ond dwi yn teimlo mei allan cuddiad wrth peth de, mae'n definite penalty i ni. Ar y weith mae'n gorau rhoid ond mae'n gorau bod mwy bref a wneud y decision. Os dwi eisiau bod yna, mae'n gorau wneud y decisions mawr yma, so mae hwnna really disappointing i ni. Ond ia, dyna oedd o.
Ti'n sôn fan am y digwyddiad yn yr ail hanner. Mi o'n y digwyddiad ar ben all y cae, just cyn hanner amser hefyd. O'n lawio fan adlach chi wedi cael kick-off spot yn y fanna?
Dwi wedi gofyn y cwestiwn, ac yr atab dwi wedi gael di, yndi mae wedi hitio law o, ond diolch yn gallu symud i law. So, mae'n anodd gwybod beth di'r rheolad ydy ma'n ddim. Maen nhw'n rhoi rhai, dyn nhw ddim yn rhoi rhai, so dwi'n gwybod lle mae'r consistency yn dod i fewn rili, ond ia, ti'n gwybod yn TNS, ti'n mynd i gael gymaint un o chances, so pan ti'n cael 2 decision fel wrach yn mynd yn ebyn chdi, ti'n gorau gofyn y cwestiwn wedyn am officials.
Adam, tonight was your game in hand, so the priority was obviously to get that win, to move 9 points clear before you break for the cup. In terms of that, it's job done.
Yeah, job done. Important to get the win today and go 9 points up. Yeah, and happy to get the goal to make sure we've got the 3 points.
I was going to say, in terms of yourselves, job done as well. So lovely hit for you.
Yeah, it was nice. Probably should have had another one or two. I had another couple of shots where I should be scoring as well. But thankfully that one went in and they didn't score any, so yeah.
After 8 successive wins in the league now and moving 9 points clear, you get a break from the league on the weekend, and it's a whole different kettle of fish in some ways as you welcome Airbus in the quarter-final of the Welsh Cup.
Yes, it is, and we're looking forward to it as well. You know, we're really disappointed. You know, it was one real negative in my opinion last season when we got beaten in the Welsh Cup final from Caernarfon. We're really disappointed, and obviously we want to try and win that trophy back because we held it before Caernarfon took it off with. So yeah, it's it's never going to be an easy game. Airbus have got nothing to lose. I managed to get an opportunity to see them play. A couple of weeks ago. Obviously, it's a previous club of mine. It was when I started off my career as assistant manager with Gareth Orne and then manager for 2 seasons. So I've got really fond memories and a lot of people there that are, are classed as friends still there. And Mark Allen was my captain when I was the manager there as well. So yeah, there's a lot of connections and we're really looking forward to it.
Well, Craig, congratulations on the win tonight. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you very much.